Since 1927, Miura Boiler has grown to be the largest steam boiler manufacturer in the world, and in 1987, Miura Canada opened, a state-of-the-art 50,000 square foot manufacturing facility which provides our customers with innovative, efficient, and environmentally responsible boilers. Every boiler manufactured in Brantford is CUL certified. We are also ASME certified for S, U, H, and R stamps. Miura boilers are renowned in the industry for their features and consistency. Our strength is a people that make Miura Canada stand out as a world-class manufacturing facility.
Here we have an LX50 SG Miura boiler with standard built-in economizer. These boilers have the highest in-service efficiencies on the market, and with the simple push of a button, can achieve full pressure steam in less than 5 minutes from a cold start. These boilers are exceptionally quiet and very user-friendly. Our boilers are engineered to be safe by design, and we have an impeccable safety record, with no explosions ever recorded in our 90+ year history. Our boilers contain about 1/10 the amount of water of a conventional boiler, which means a lot less stored energy and a lot less potential for damage should the boiler fail. Due to our low water content design, our boilers are operator exempt here in Ontario and many other Canadian provinces. We also have one of the smallest footprints of any steam boiler, saving space in the boiler room and giving flexibility upon installation. Our LX boiler has about 1/4 the footprint size of an equivalent conventional boiler. We're very proud to manufacture all of our LX and EX boilers right here in Brantford, Ontario, Canada. Not only do we manufacture the boilers, but we take full responsibility for your boiler room, a real turnkey solution. We make our own burner, controls, feed water tank, blowdown separator, water softener systems, and even mix our own chemicals right here in Brantford. We also provide after-sales Miura service by our factory-trained technicians coast to coast. From all of us here at the Miura team, we thank you and we look forward to working with you on your steam boiler projects.